Maswera sei mhuri yeZimbabwe? Tikufara kusangana manheru anhasi Friday iri musi wa13 day 1 after the court judgment. Toda kutenda Mwari kuti at least takakwanisa kuwana judgment. We now know the case yatakatarisana nayo nekutakukwanisa kutsvaga nzira yekuti tinobatsirika sei kuenda mberi as far as nyaya yaComrade Nyoka Yemabhunu is concerned. Asi we are not going to be tricked by the regime or Zviganandas kuti tirambe takafocasa on Nyoka Yemabhunu case iwo wachikontinya the massive looting and destruction of our country. That's why we made some massive changes so that the revolution will focus on the revolutionary agenda. Then those responsible for the courts, they will focus on the legal agenda. Isisu wana comrade wenyu kwatinofokasa nako ku-revolution because ndo kusikadi chikoro chakawanda kunongoda signal. Then kuma-courts wakafunda toapa mukana wavo wekuti vange vachibata basa ikoko. Fast forward tochipana ma-updates nenyaya yaComrade Nyoka Yemabhunu so that everyone will be aware of the developments dziripo dzataita put in place. Then to focus on revolutionary agendas. We understand kwatamandai uko kuna mbuya weZANU-PF vari kusponsor vanhu vari kurova vanhu vedu ikoko. Nezuro they were on massive attack vachirova vanhu mudzimba umu. Tamandai Chipinge, we understand kune by election kuward 5. Mbuya tiri kuti siyanai netsika dzamuri kuita idzodzo because we can make you an example. So to direct this message mainzwa ward 5 Tamandai kuChipinge, siyanai neunhu hwamuri kuita imi mbuya weZANU-PF, otherwise we can set you as an example. Saka todaira kuti hatisina message chabva ikoko, tapedza nayo. Then on Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu's case, tatichinzwa tichitarisa ma-inbox, commentary and so forth. Zvinonakidza kukomenda than kuacta. Asi chaakutifadza in this case, tine ruzhinji rwataipesana narwo mafungiro nemaitiro ebasa. Asi tese taakukwanisa kuwana a common ground yatakukwanisa kuita access each other and discuss the matters concerning this revolution and the matters concerning the attack of a revolutionary Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu. So we appreciate that. Taizviziva hedu kuti mvura bvongodze ndiyo mvura garisani. Kune vamwe vaitituka left, right and center, nevamwe vataitukawo wataa kuchiwirirana nawo pamafungiro nemaonero pari zvino. Ndo zvinoitika murevolution. Mukangoona vanhu vanongosvika pakubvumirana kuti tese tiri kuenda this direction toti yes, it means something is wrong. Saka toda kutendai macomrades wherever the sides amuri kubva nadzo, tabvumirana now the situation yataanayo kuti yakuda which channels of solutions. What we have managed to achieve ndezvekuti the courts in South Africa have accepted kuti Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu's case is a political case. So we want to thank all stakeholders dzakaisa pressure on that agenda. Aiwa tokutendai, makaita basa rakanaka. We appreciate you. Way forward, tiri kunzwa vamwe vari kuti muri kuita problem pamalawyers this and that. Aiwa vanga vari kukoti vanonzwisisa zvemutemo nechirungu chinotaurwa can understand kuti the situation yakaitika kukoti yanezuro ndeyekuti we had the first lawyer akaita masubmissions ake which were very fine. But we were dealing with one case during that time. But now we have a situation where we are dealing with more than 2 cases. Dzimwe dzacho ndo dzamakaona pakaitwa the first judgment dzichiitwa sneaked into the court through the Interpol. So there were a lot of changes from the first affidavit which was presented by the first lawyer. Then takataura isisu nema lawyers akazoita take over. That other lady, Yugi, the young lady, and another advocate. They made submissions and they presented those submissions and an affidavit also to correct whatever mistakes and update the requirements of the new affidavit. But unfortunately, the second affidavit which were presented by these ladies was not considered during the judgment of yesterday's course. Those kuita kuti vamwe muti lawyers amakaisa they are not strong. No, our lawyers are very strong and focused on this case. Then wamozoti vari kufamba nezvigananda. There are some behaviors which we notice on the way. But I'm sure we won't Gambakwe several times. Could please, when you are doing your things, make sure that your ways are zisviki pakutsamwisa mhuri yeZimbabwe. I hope kuti akateerera the message yatiinayo kusaziya vanomuteera kuYouTube kuti behavior iyo ari kuramba achiita here. But the lawyer which was sponsored by him is still part of the legal team yatiinayo. Nezuro manheru patakati vaite meeting the legal representatives admins dzatinadzo, the lawyer was also questioning why am I getting a negative attitude from the people. And she was told straight away that you are dining with the enemy of the people. But kuti conclude kuti Gambakwe is an enemy of the people, we need to have tangible evidence in place. Asi mimi wanu ndimi munojaja, but our position yatakutaura nayo is a more responsible position. We don't want to rush to conclude. That's why tichikupai these issues as literal as they are. What have we done? Kubva patakakuudzai nezuro. We addressed you yesterday after the court. Kuti since we have been denied the bail at the magistrate court, we are going to apply for the bail at the High Court. And we are still maintaining that statement. What is needed is, we need that judgment yakaitwa nezuro on paper. My lawyers haasati anayo. And we are expecting between Monday and Tuesday, they are going to get that judgment so that they can make an appeal to the High Court. Ipapo I'm sure atapedza tadzokorodza wamwangu achitibvunza wachiti tazonzwa zvichinzi. We are going to make an appeal for the bail judgment to the High Court. That's case number 1 which we have. Unfortunately, one of the lawyers watanga tinayo wamanga mchibvunza haazokwanisi kuenda kunomirira kuHigh Court because she is an attorney. High Court they need an advocate. We do have an advocate there who will represent us to the High Court. So she is doing her homework well. Saka ndakatofarira kuti makasangana naye nezuro. She doesn't want to be on the camera. And it. But well is fine. Accept everyone afarira camera na asina kufarira. Because if you understand, one of the lawyers is still young, which means the law firm is still also marketing kuti izikanwe. Ndo saka makaona kuti isisu we have refused to attack Yugi and the Malashela attorneys because the effort and the energy she is using and the presentations were satisfying us. The only problem was the one who wanted to be on the limelight associating with her. The administrators made that point clear to her, so she now understands. But who are we to break a relationship which was established? But what we need to do is to make sure that our legal processes are not contaminated. So, what the admin team responsible for the legal did, we have 3 cases in place. The first case is an appeal of the High Court, which is going to be represented by an advocate. Case number 1. We have the second case. The second case of the Couches Kanaut Masofa, which is a South African case. That case is going to be represented by Yugi because she still stands in the magistrate court. And we never had any problem with the presentations which she was making. So the case of the sofas of the couches, Yugi is going to take care of that case. If we are going to upgrade in the end of the legal team, we'll advise you. But as it stands, we managed to split these cases to say these lawyers are no longer working together in all cases. Since the cases are so many, we divided the cases. You deal with this one, you deal with these cases. So Yugi will be dealing with the case of the couches and the sofas. But you need to be very patient on her, because what we have noticed is that this case is still under investigation. So the investigation officers, they are still doing their work. So the issue of the couches, which is the South African case, we are expecting more time on it. But it's going to be in the court on the 20th this month. Then we have the third case, which we have allocated to the advocate, which is the case of the extradition. But this case is a bit complicated because it's involving the South African courts and the Zimbabwean courts. So we managed to establish the third legal team of advocates in Zimbabwe, which are going to deal with that case in Zimbabwean courts. So we are going to tell you the court dates and the courts where this case is going to be tried. So we are now having 3 court sittings here. The court sitting of the couches is, in fact, there are 4 court sittings. The court sitting of the couches, which we gave to an attorney. The court sitting of the bail appeal to the High Court, which is going to be represented by an advocate. Those are South African cases. The third case, the case of extradition, being handled by advocates again, that's a South African case. Then the fourth case, handled by advocates in Zimbabwe. So those in Zimbabwe, you got another chance of going to support this Comrade Nyoka Mabunu's case at the courts locally in Zimbabwe. Kana wapedza basa ratawapa, mchiwa kana wachimborwa whiskey, this is the last weekend my advocates why. Monday, they are down to work. So we are going to have court sessions again in Zimbabwe. Kana zvabudirira izvozvo tichakuudzai kuti koti yaComrade Nyoka Yemabhunu iri kupinda papi and rini. That's what the legal team did kubva nezuro. So maona kuti vakomana ava havasi kuzorora. Then here in South Africa, we told you kuti extradition course iri kuhandlwa nani, and the appeal, the bail appeal of the High Court, who is handling. We are very happy with both lawyers. So please, Don't undermine the lawyers who are doing this work. What we bring here to the public, we don't want you to move in a BP. Tikakupai the whole depth of this case, tinoita problem yekuti munoita BP apa nyika iri kutadza kutonga zvakanaka, apa muri kubirwa nezvigananda. Then tobva takupai futi the correct depth of this case, moita mastress akawandisa. Saka ndosaka tichizongoti kana taona kuti zvatiremera tongoti trust your leadership, trust the process. So we are expecting more fundraisings pamberi up. When need arises, we are going to come to you tokuudzai. Tinogara chikuudzai kuti garai panzvimbo musasumuke sumuke. Tonza vanhu munoteerera uku, moteerera uku, moteerera uku. Mopedzisira makuya mava confused. Teererai zvatiri kukupai pari zvino, because we are the ones who are handling this case as of now. Kana paita ma-changes, tikazonga taane vamwe vanenge vachikupai ma-updates, who advise accordingly. Moteerera iwawo. Because nyaya iyi is not personalized on Comrade Saruaka and crew, is the Zimbabwean case. But where we are going to need big budgets. Some they think this is Comrade Nyoka Mabunu's case. Fellow Zimbabwean, listen. This is not Comrade Nyoka Mabunu's case. It is a fight against Zvigananda. Nyoka Mabunu haana kana mhosva yakapara ipapo. If you listen, panyaya yemasofa yeku South Africa is someone who was coming as a donor. Waitombomuisira mari wachiti Comrade muri kuita basa rakanaka. Like any one of you anouya kuti Comrade Saruaka maisa audio yandafarira bataione papa, cool it down. That's what really happened. And the proof of payments were captured. Then what happened when they went to open the docket, this proof of payment was for sofas, of which it was just a donation and was Comrade Kunyoka Mabunu, but I got 25,000 rands. Mubatsirike pabasa revolution. He was trapped that way. It's a learning process. So we don't have anyone to blame, Pap. Zawakaita Iwo, it was a counter of this revolutionary agenda. So this case is not a Nyoka Mabunu's case, it's a Zimbabwean revolution case. Those in UK, America, and Australia, South Africa and Zimbabwe, but we now need your hand because the budgets are going to be extreme now. But we don't want to allow the devil to happen in this case. Yes, we understand, Kuti, one way or the other, there are other stakeholders vachauya vachitibatsira. Kana vatibatsira vanhu ivavo, muchavaona, vanobatsirawo pavanobatsira, but havazozikwanisi dzese mari dzinenge dzichidiwa. Saka mhuri yeZimbabwe rambai muchifarira homwe yenyu yatakakupai. Tonzwa vamwe vachiti mari dzinozobiwa, munobirwa mari yenyu nani? Isisu takakuudzai kuti we are handling these cases. Wano understand how this revolutionary agenda is moving on. I'm sure maakunzwisa kwatiri kubva nekwatiri kuenda. Saka chiregedzai kusangana nezvigananda zvechizonzi mari dzinozodyiwa, vari kuita this and that. We gave you my account numbers ekuita basa. Tichiti isai mari ikoko. Means tavaudza kuti gadzirisana ikoko, find way of helping each other. Because tine chidokwa dokwa chekuti tese tibatsire pabasa iri. Saka tanzwa vamwe kuseno vachiti tiri kuita confusion. Tataura nawo means tikati find way of helping each other, comrades. Tiri kuziva kuti dambudziko riri kuitika nderekuti no one has access to communicate with Comrade Saruaka directly. Saka matambudziko amunosangana nawo ikoko handimazivi. Asi ndakakupai nzira dzekucommunicata nemaadmin ikoko. there will be a genuine need of help. So batsiranai maadmins ikoko. Kana paine mabatsirirana amaita kwatiri chingoti paine ma-updates. Tiziwe kuti mari yatakakupai yashanda sei. Saka apo tatobata tapedza, there is no confusion on the issue of fundraising. We recorded Comrade Nyoka Yemabhunu nezuro court. Tachifungidzira kuti maybe maadmins vachazotibuditsira audio iyoyo kuchannel. Hatizivi maybe zvimwe waona zvisina kufanira kubuditsa, but tasiya hedu zvakadaro. Tikati ngatisiyanei zvakadaro, isu ngatiitei basa. Saka tapedza panyaya dzemalawyers, manga muchida kupanzwa zvakanaka. Takuchifocus on the revolutionary agenda now. Trukunzwa whatever you are doing, Midlands, we are hearing a lot of nonsense. You are threatening our people each and every day. We are having a court case which is sitting on the 16th in Kadoma. We are coming for you. But we give the legal process every chance. Make sure kuti Chigananda chiri behind that case, just drop it before the revolutionaries gets in. Saka tiri kuramba tichiramba tichipedzerwa nguva nekutemeswa musoro nemi kuMidlands. Vari kuMidlands, batai that case zvakanaka. If there is any help inenge iri kudiwa, takakupai your WhatsApp number, you will be helped. Tiri kuziva kuti varikuda kuramba vachivharidzira kutadza kutonga nyika kwavari kuita. We have our 2 months agenda yekudzingirira Zvigananda, ndapedza nenyaya yekukoti. From tomorrow onwards, we are going back to our revolutionary agenda. Since this audio is very long, hatichakwanisi kubatsirana kuti akufamba sei from here. But ngatingorambe tichiti pamberi nerevolution, fellow Zimbabweans. Rambai makabata ipapo. Siyabangena. Kobulawa yematepeleleni siyakubonga mtokazi omuhle. Kongo kuyenzayo sinceda ngakho siyakubonga kakhulu. Emakoti siyababona ama-revolutionaries ababuya cha thina sakulele ephumula enkulumani sizobona uComrade Nyoka Yemabhunu lapha. Thina siyabe sithi phambili nerevolution wena asambeni phambili. So siyabonga majita asihlanganeni. We have 2 court cases. High court izokutshela ukuthi high court ingena kuphi. Ama cases angena eMagistrate Court 20 eMagistrate Court lizoba likhona. Then on this extradition court sizokutshela i-extradition court zizofuna umuntu wonke kwanapha, because this is not a simple case, it's a heavy case. That's why we found an advocate to handle it. But I'm sure both lawyers, they are going to make us proud. It means we're giving us feedback that Yugi said on the Magistrate case, please, I will try my best. So thank you, Yugi, for that. Then for the High Court, we know it was a difficult matter. That's why we involved the Zimbabwean team of advocates again. So I'm sure you are going to help each other. Toziya pane mu advocate ndatodzwa standa kangana takambomtuka kumashuro. Bando zinoitika mu revolution izvozvo. Tazonzwa zikanza akafunda munhu ndiye the correct person to handle this case. So whether uri musikana kana mukomana, bata basa revolution ratakupa zvakanaka. And make sure that Comrade is not extradited to Zimbabwe. Thank you, all stakeholders in this revolution. Tokutendai muri yeZimbabwe. Then ndochidzokera pamessage yaComrade Mudzingwa yeUnity. Haisi nguva yekusiramba tichitsvagirana mhosva pari zvino. Waida kutraya kuti denha kuti tirange tichitsvagirana mhosva takatozoona kuti anga waida kuti disturb nekuda kuti pesanisa. Izvezvi taona manyangire yaona, we are now more united than ever. Saka tiri kuti pamberi nerevolution, pamberi nekubatana, pamberi neunity. So makomrades ese ari kuparidza unity nevari kutinamatira. Vanamai vakatinamatira nababa vanotinamatira every day. Pamberi nemi rambai muchiisa munamato. Tidzinge madhimoni. Saka ngatirambe takabatana makomrades. Tapedza apo. Mangwana, we are moving forward with the revolution agenda. We legal zvese zviri kuitika court tawapa basa ravo tapedza. Izvezvi siyabangena manje. So tokutendai. murare zvakanaka mhuri yezimbabwe tatenda.